What's going on, guys? Marcus Zari here. So sorry I can't show my face right now. My camera's acting up, but man, it was a party the other night in cryptocurrencies, especially when we all seen the price of Bitcoin skyrocketed to about $5,000. It's definitely down now at about $4,924 right now. But the market cap is currently, I want to say the market cap was at $172 billion earlier today, so lost about $2 billion, and it's at $170.1 billion now. 24-hour volume, 74.1 billion. BTC dominance at 51.0%. So definitely, as you can see here across the board, everything is pretty much in a bloodbath right now. A lot of gains that was happening, the last day or two definitely is being wiped out, as we can see. Big correction that's going on right now. Bitcoin hasn't really dropped that much from its high that we haven't seen in a while, which was at about $5,200. So definitely dropped some, but as far as altcoins is getting crushed right now. Let me look at the change 24 hours. We got some that's up, right? Repo project, I want to say Pi, Insight Chain, Mixin, in this cryptocurrency here, and Iost is up 7%. Definitely Iost, definitely going to speak about that in a second here. But let's see the big correction that's going on as well. KuCoin shares, Aurora, 0x, Cardano, Iost, Metaverse, and so on, as you guys can see across the board. But yeah, though, it was very, very exciting, man, because I actually made, as you guys can see on my calendar here, actually, I'm going to show you guys that yet. But I made about 140. Go to my sheet here. Oh, that's the old one. So, yeah. So, I'm on my spreadsheet here, my Google spreadsheet. So, I made about $142.96 in profit with Iost. So, like I said, everything was going up. I caught Iost as we go to the charts here. So Iost, so Internet Services. I caught Internet Services, which is ticker symbol Iost. It was really starting to move. This was like last night, about my time. I want to say about 8, 9 Pacific time. Iost was gaining. It was like at like 7%. That's when I seen it. And then next you know it's at 8%, and then it went to 9% and 10%. When it hit 10%, it really caught my attention. As you guys can see here, it's really shooting up now. But this is where I got in Iost last night, where I got my, where I earned pretty much, $142 in profits. So I got in Iost. Literally, I got in right here when this bull, when everybody started to get in as well. They must have seen the price moving a lot, or the percentage gain moving really, really high, really, really fast. So a lot of people seen this as well. But I got in right here. So I got in, I want to say about 0.013585-ish. That's where I got in at. And then, I didn't know it was going to go all the way up, this high. That's definitely big gains there. So pull out the percentage rulers. I definitely didn't sell out the top. I wish I did, but you can't never predict it. Especially in cryptocurrency, things could take a turn quickly. But if I would have sold at the top here, I would have made about 23.82% on my money. Within the 24 hours, right? Those definitely big gains, and things do happen that quickly in crypto. But where I sold at was, I want to say I sold, where did I sell out here? I could definitely look at my trade. So I got in at 0.013585, and I sold at about 14497. So 1497, slow. So I got it up here, 14497, a little bit lower. So in this zone right here, this is about what I sold at, where that white line is at. Like, this is why I sold at, because I seen resistance, because there was resistance in the past at that, in that area, as you guys can see here. So we got resistance here. Resistance really is up here. Resistance up here, but I wanted to put my sell order a little bit below the resistance that it was hitting. And as you guys can see here, resistance here in this area. So these pretty much resistance zones. And I seen that, so that's why I put my sell order around, these zones. It was pretty much logical. And, I did get a nice gain, as you guys can see here, $142 in profit. So that was about, I want to say about 449 here, 14,449. So in this zone here, so that was about 6%, 7% profit in that zone there. Definitely good, right? A lot of people came and get that in a day. And, if you're in like stocks and bonds and stuff like that, definitely it's going to be hard to come by. But definitely crypto, that is possible. That is reasonable as well. So I just took my profits and, just sold at that point. But definitely, if I would have held on there, and as you guys can see, I was looking at it as well, just to see if it was good to get back in. But, I was on the fence about it. So I was just like, no, you know what? I did great for today. Let me not be greedy. That's another thing as well. Never want to be greedy, man. Just take what you can. And if you see something hitting resistance, sometimes you will get that breakout, right? As we clearly see here, it hit that resistance and it finally broke out, I want to say, at this last time here, right? So because it happened before in the past. And, it happens, right? And you get lucky sometimes. Sometimes it won't. Sometimes it will, like you guys can see here, it tested it, then it broke down, and then went back up and tested it and broke back down. And then for the third was the charm here, where it just hit it, just broke through. So, like I said, a lot of people were seeing it increase as far as percentages as well. So a lot of buyers started to come in at this point here. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, my trade so far. I've been doing good so far. As far as the month of April, I did some trades last month as well, but I'm pretty much documenting everything from, starting here on out, just to see how I am as a trader. Definitely want to get better. And you're only going to get better if you're keeping tracks of your mistakes. Definitely made a mistake on this trade here. This was on, I want to say on seller. I think I made a mistake on here. But I'm going to make another video on seller, how I lost about, $200 because I was trying to be greedy, right? So definitely I'm going to make a video on that. But as far as last night or today is the 4th. I made $142.96 in profit. So with that said, guys, markets are here. Keep learning, keep trading. That's how you're going to get better. It's always good to watch other YouTube videos and read books and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, you got to actually get in the game, man. You can't be on the sidelines. You can't be scared. You got to get in the game. And just like that, I was able to see opportunity, and I made $142.96 in profit. So markets are, I'm out.